Find the unique values in a column and then sort them. I have a pandas data frame. I want to print the unique values of one of its columns in ascending order. This is how I am doing it. The problem is that I am getting a none for the output.
Sort sorts in place so returns nothing. So you have to call printer again after the call to sort. For example,
Sorted, iterable return a new sorted list from the items in iterable. Code. Output.
you can also use the drop_duplicates instead of unique.
Came across the question myself today. I think the reason that your code returns a none, exactly what I got by using the same method, is calling the sort function to mutate the list A. In my understanding, this is a modification command. To see the result you have to use print A. My solution, as I tried to keep everything in pandas,